How to pay your T-Mobile bill online. In this video, guys, we're talking about how to, in the most efficient and fast way, pay your T-Mobile bill online. Whether you prefer using a computer or the T-Mobile app, the steps are simple and only take a moment. Let's begin. So if you're doing it on the browser, you just need to navigate to tmobile.com and then of course go to My Account right over here. You just click on it and then press on Log In. In here, you'll be prompted to enter, of course, your details. That is going to be your email or phone number, and then you press on Next. And also, if you want to pay as a guest, you can click on this button, and in here, provide your phone or account number, confirm number, and then you just continue. And then once you sign in, you will get this kind of interface where you will see your, of course, balance, and you will also be able to make the payments. Also, as you can see, your payment is 20 days past due, and also you can see your previous payments as well. And from this interface, you just press on Make a Payment, and then to pay, you can choose to pay the full balance, pretty much everything that you need to pay for the next month, or a custom partial amount. It's up to you. And then, in order to pay, T-Mobile lets you choose between debit or credit card, bank account, Apple Pay or Google Pay. So enter the amount and confirm the payment details and then continue. And if you're on the phone, as you can see, you'll get this interface instead. And also in here, you just press on Make a Payment. And then just check the final summary. If everything looks correct, click Submit Payment. You'll receive a confirmation message and an email receipt. And also if you want the automatic monthly billing, go to the billing, then auto pay and toggle it on. And that is how simple it is to pay off your T-Mobile bill online. If this tutorial helped, feel free to explore more of my guides here on the channel. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.